Today we are going to learn some valuable shortcut keys for Google Sheets. Let's get started. Firstly, as we work in Google Sheets, remember that every change is automatically saved in Drive. But if you like the traditional way of ensuring your work is saved, you can press Ctrl+S. Next up, Ctrl+O. This simple shortcut allows you to quickly open your recent files. You won't need to navigate away from the current page, saving you valuable time. There are moments where you may need to print a record of your data. Instead of looking for the option in the menu bar, just press Ctrl+P and the print page option box opens up. Now, here's a time saver. Ctrl+C is a shortcut used all over. In Google Sheets, it works the same. It copies the selected cells. Following this, Ctrl+V is the key command for pasting a copied data. Sometimes we need to remove certain data once it's moved to another place. That's where Ctrl+X comes into play. It's the cut command of Google Sheets, allowing you to cut data instead of copying it. Moving to our next shortcut command basically for managing sheets. If you have large data and need another sheet, no need to worry. Just use Shift+F11 to quickly insert a new sheet. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. We hope this tutorial will make your work on Google Sheets faster and more effective.